Enthusiasms. 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 Man's got a lot of enthusiasms. What's up, people? Can you name that movie? Enthusiasms. I'm walking around with a big bat about to smash somebody over the head. Enthusiasms. 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 30 seconds in, I've only said enthusiasms, huh? This is great entertainment for you, huh? Enthusiasms. Point is, people have a lot of enthusiasms. You want to be in this business, this trading business, this stock investing business. Want to try to make money in the stock market. You think you're smart. You think you're ready to dive in. Is it just an enthusiasm? Are you really ready for this? Because let's pretend, each day now, we're pretending that this is day one. I want you to come to the chat room to show you what I provide. This guy right here can help you. I know. Why would I want to help people that I don't know? Why would I want to help people for free? Why would I want to help people make money, sometimes actually taking money out of my pocket and giving it to you? It is my plight. It is my curse. It is my blessing. It is my lot in life to go ahead and help you. Hang on a second. Enthusiasms. This is an enthusiasm for me. I get a kick out of helping people because I think one day it'll all come back and help me somehow. I know I'm helping people out there. We got about 1,000 of you, over 1,000 that signed up for the website. We're going places. It might be taking a really long time because it's just me and my buddy Mike trying to do this. You know, if we had a crew and a studio, and if I didn't burn every bridge that I ever crossed, made enemies, maybe things would have worked out a little bit better for me. But you know what? Staying true to who I am, and I do what I want to do, and I say fuck the rest. All right? I help the people that believe, embrace the horror, and if you were in the chat room yesterday, you saw what I can do. We were trading AIG, and we traded that bitch perfectly. We were shorting it in the morning, and then it based out there, and we took a little bit of profit, made a little move on the spike there at the end of the day, and we did it all right. We weren't trading actively because it's August. Remind you, it's August. You really shouldn't even be sitting here at the desk. But if this is an enthusiasm, maybe you should be doing something else. But if this is your job, and you're here every day, I can help you. And I will help you. Don't forget that. So, another day of married life. Another day of dolphin sex. Oh, if you guys aren't familiar with dolphin sex, that's something me and my wife practice almost nightly. Dolphin sex is when I ask my wife for sex and she says, It's great. It's great. I mean, if my wife wasn't perfect in all the other facets of life, I probably would get divorced. I probably would actually just thrown around a window right now at this point. But everything else is pretty good, except that, I don't know. She kind of got totally thrown for a loop when I asked her to put a lamp up my ass one night, and sex life hasn't been the same. What? I like a lamp in the ass every once in a while. Listen. Fingers in the ass during sex are fantastic, all right? Either you're going to shit the bed or you're going to have the best orgasm of your life. It's worth the risk, fellas. Don't be embarrassed. All right, enough about that. So what's today? What's today? We're going to, I'm going to hope that the Qs go up a little bit more. I want a full-on, unabashed, is that a word? Can you just sell off to the close one time? When's the last time we've sold off into the close in a panic, not knowing what the next day was in store for us? Afraid. Fear. Is anybody afraid anymore? No. Everyone's just afraid of the market going up without them. That's why we keep going up. We can't take hold. Just give me 3, 4 full days of just selling, so then I could just feel better about buying something. And that's another reason why the market's not going down. Because there's guys out there like me who believe in the future, the hope of America. Because remember, I'm a belligerent optimist right now. Fuck you if you don't believe in America. Fuck you if you don't think the market's not going up. Blow me if you're buying gold and silver. Because I'm a belligerent optimist. Yeah, that's right, everything's going to be okay. If you don't believe me, I will come to your house. I will come to your house. I don't give a shit that you don't have a job. It's going to be great. It's awesome. I don't care. I don't care that there's all these things out there warning us about the impending doom of the global meltdown. Belligerent optimism. I'm holding on to it. So, on that note, let's go down. Let's go down so we can feel better about buying some stocks at relatively cheap prices, because the cheap prices are over. Now you just got to have that hope and faith if you want to hang on, because the trading environment has become a little bit too choppy and a little bit too frightening. But yet, there are opportunities. What you do now is, what I've learned is, do not trade this first half hour. Do not. I mean, I like the first half hour because I have ideas from the day before, and sometimes I pile in on something in the morning, and it goes my way immediately, and my day's over by 9:32, which is fun, which is great, because then sometimes I just don't do anything all day. But the degenerate gambler inside me, you think I could sit here all day and not do anything, and I just churn my account, and what was a $1,000 profit suddenly is a $600 profit, then it's a $400 profit, and then I'm thinking, what the hell did I do to myself? But point is, do not trade this first half hour. It's not worth it. There's enough intraday reversals and nonsense that goes on. Look for stocks that have topped out, short them. Look for stocks that have based out, like the AIG yesterday was a nice base, and then it spiked a point. Same thing with the Hartford Financial, caught a base there at 17.55, 17.60, rallied close to 70, 80 cents. So there's always something. Don't rush into anything. And if nothing happens and you sit there all day and don't do a thing, you know what? It'll probably be a good idea, because you know what? There'll be something else going on the next day, or the next day, or maybe 5 days from now. Because the idea of here, if this is an enthusiasm, if you're not just trying to play around with this, and you're trying to actually make money over the long term, patience, my friend. Patience, it will prevail, and you will do well. So just come to the chat room. I'll let you know what I'm doing. The guys in my chat room are pretty good. I got a futures trader in there, pretty much calling bottoms and tops almost every day. He's remarkable. I got guys in there that just like to come in and talk about the downfall of the world. They're always fun to listen to. And again, if you're in the chat room and you get into a heated debate, and if somebody's insulting you, let me know. Maybe I'll scold them and ask them politely not to, do that. But it's a chat room. I've been around since when AOL got started. And if you know anything about chat rooms, anything goes in there. I don't ban people. You can come in and say whatever the fuck you want. Whatever the fuck, a fucking runway. Knock down that wall, knock down that wall, and knock down that fucking wall. Name that movie. All right. Have a great day.